Warbird's ready to taxi. Stand by, Warbird.
Airbus Viper 1, left base to your stop will be 34 left.
Roger that, Viper's clear to land, 34 left.
Flight check.
Mustang, Viper.
Airbus Raptor and Mustang and Viper all ready to taxi.
Okay, Jet Outhouse, thank you. Nicely done, sir. Back into the pits. Well done. Okay, Ralph, we're good to go. Clear to launch. Yeah, I'm with you, Sean. Yeah, baby, boss. When you let us go, we're ready. Okay, Sean, I'm coming at your 6 o'clock. All is good. Yeah, baby. Come and get me, baby. Ronnie, take it around for another photo pass. That'll give you enough spacing for the other guys to get down. Roger.
Airbus Viper 1's ready to taxi.
And Viper Demo, take the hack from your safety guy. You have 16,000 and the 5 miles. You're clear for takeoff. Winds 190 at 7.
And Airbus Raptor 01. I'm going to pause right here on the taxiway and I'll continue my taxi in a second. Raptor's moving.
Favor the right side of the runway, Raptor. Yeah, Mikey, you got a PIREP for the Horsemen? Yes, sir, Ed, it's smooth. It's super hard, south to north, not as nearly as much on crowd. You know it's there, but that's about it. It doesn't need to be much more than that. And it is probably 25 south to north. Copy all, thanks, bud. Have a good ride, guys. Nice show. Jan Comer, the winds are 180. You are cleared to launch.
Airbus represent for one last Sumi.
And you're cleared through, winds 14010.
Raptor.
You don't mind if I just kind of run into those guys, right?
You're gonna do a Susie to a rocky hill? You know it's pretty doing that. Right over the top of a beautiful Mustang. And in sight, you're clear for the overhead right brake, 16 right. For the overhead, thank you. Alright, T6 flight. The other flight is already airborne. They're no factor 2. You can start your racetrack. Watch your endpoints, gentlemen.
The Wildcat flight's at 600 feet. The T6 flight is at 300 feet. We'll go around a couple more times, guys.
God, that's a sexy jet.
Don't start today, Dano. You totally confused me yesterday.
Raptor's in for a second pass.
Really good, sir. Oh, thank you very much. Michael, Airshow Center in 90 seconds. 90 seconds, clear to go to street.
90 seconds for Michael. Over. Here we go.